Good morning again, third grade. We are moving on to chapter 11. Yes, we're skipping chapter 10 and we're moving to chapter 11, which is perimeter. I would like to get back to chapter 10 after we do 11 and 12. 11 and 12 deal with geometry. Our essential question today is how can you find perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a shape. It's the distance of the edges. You can find perimeter of a rectangle on a geoboard or on dot paper by counting the number of units on each side. Draw your rectangle on this dot paper. Make a rectangle that is 3 units on two sides and 2 units on the other side. Here is my shape, 3 units on the top and 2 units on the sides. Then write the length next to each side of your rectangle. 2 here, 3 here, 2 here, 3 here. Then add the number of units on each side. So 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 10 units. How would the perimeter of the rectangle change if the length of 2 of the sides was 4 units instead of 3? So these would be 4 instead of 3. It would increase by 2. So it would be 12 units instead of 10. Now, on the back it says draw conclusions. Describe how you would find the perimeter of a rectangle that is 5 units wide and 6 units long. Well, you would have to add 5 plus 5 because each 5 units wide has 2 sides and each 6 units long has 2 lengths. So 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 would equal 22 units. The next one's a bit of a riddle. A rectangle has 2 pairs of sides of equal length. Explain how you can find the unknown length of 2 sides when the length of one side is 4 and the perimeter is 14. So you have to add 4 plus 4 because we know that's the length of 2 sides plus n equals 14. Well, 4 plus 4 is 8, so 8 plus n equals 14. Well, I can take 14 and subtract 8, and that gives me the length of the other 2 sides. So I know that both sides are equal length, so n plus n equals 6. So n has to equal 3. Evaluate. Jill says that finding the perimeter of a shape with all sides of equal length is easier than finding the perimeter of other shapes. Do you agree? I put yes because I can multiply the number of sides by the length of one side to find the total perimeter. Under making connections, it says you can also use grid paper to find the perimeter of shapes by counting the number of units on each side. Start at the arrow and trace the perimeter. Begin counting with 1. Continue counting each unit around the shape until you have counted each unit. Started at 1, okay? And then counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, 3 down, 5 across, and 3 down. This gave us a total of 16 units. B is a little different. You have to count each square individually. So you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, with a total of 14 units for the perimeter. Now, this one, each square has to be counted individually. On your share and show, find the perimeter of each shape. Each unit is 1 centimeter. We count each unit individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 perimeter. Now, on number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 perimeter. On number 3, we have 3 across, 3 down, 3 across, and 3 up. So we essentially have one shape with 4 equal sides of 3. So it's 12 centimeters. On number 4, there are 2 sides of 2 and 2 sides of 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 2 is 18 centimeters. Number 5 says a shape with 4 sides that measures 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 1 centimeter. So you have to add each side individually. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16 centimeters. Now, on number 6, it says a shape with 2 sides that measure 10, so that would be 20, and one side that measures 8 inches, that would be 28, and one side that measures 4 inches. 28 plus 4 would be 32 inches. Number 7 says, explain how to find the length of each side of a triangle with sides of equal lengths. Now remember that a triangle has 3 sides and each side is equal length, and the total perimeter of 27 inches. You can divide the perimeter by 3 since a triangle has 3 sides. 27 divided by 3 equals 9 inches. On the back is the problem solving. Go ahead and try to figure out Kevin's error, and then go ahead and complete lesson 11.1 out of your practice book. Thank you. Have a good day.